How to create a business website that convert in 5 steps. In today's video, I will be sharing with you what you need to do right now to put your business to the next level by creating the right website for your business, and I will show you how you can do that through this video. Hi there, if this is the first time you are watching me, welcome to my channel. I'm so pleased you are here. In this channel, we are sharing tips on how you can not just own a website, but own a functional website that helps you achieve your business goals, whatever that looks like for you. So if you haven't joined the family already, click the subscription button and turn the notification on so that when each time I upload my video, you have access to it. So let's get right into today's video. How to create a business website that converts in 5 steps. Step number 1, decide the primary purpose of your website and keep it simple. Here is where most people get stuck with is, how do I know what's the purpose of my website? Now, I want to give you a clue. I want you to think about your ideal clients. So you flip the coins from yourself to who you are trying to reach, because that's the aim purpose of your website. You are aiming to reach a certain group of people. You want them to come to know you, like you, trust you, and work with you in your services or your product you are selling. So you need to think about your ideal clients. Have this vision for them when they are moving around your website or navigating through your website. What type of experience do you want them to have? How do you want them to feel? Start by creating one word for your website. Would you like your website to be amazing? Would you like it to be beautiful? Would you like it to be connective? Would you like it to be attractive? Find the right word to describe your website experience with your ideal clients. Now, your website is going to serve two groups of people. You are the primary user of your website, and your ideal clients is the second group of people that will be using your website. Now, how useful would your website be to you? Would it form part of your content marketing? Would you be writing things on your website and directing your ideal client to your blog? Would you be using it to build your email list? Would you be using it to generate leads? Would you be using it to encourage people to join your community? What would you use your website? So you need to come up with that idea of, this is how you're going to use your website, and write it down. What impact will this have on your business? We are talking about business website here. So there's a business element attached to every piece of website. So how would this website have impact in your business goals? How would that help you? You need to gain clarity on that. In my previous video, I talked about how you can plan for your website. So after you define your website objective, you need to put it down in plan. How do you do that? I'm going to link a link to the video that I made before on how to plan for your website so that you can check it out. Okay. So step number 2, you need to decide what your website domain name will be called. Your domain name is an essential feature of your website. So make it count. Don't just get any domain name. Give a careful thought about it. I'm not saying spend the whole day thinking about your domain name. I'm just saying make it simple, make it readable, make it easy to remember. I explain this in more details in my ebook, which I will also put it in the description link below, where you can have access to the ebook and really go into the deep details on how you can come up with the right domain names, what are the extension, and what those .com, .org, .uk, .us, what do they really mean? I explain that in more detail in my ebook. So I will encourage you to grab a copy by visiting my website. Okay. So now we are in step 3. Choose the right hosting plan. Your website will need an online space to live on. It will need a postcode. Okay. So for it to have that postcode, you need to have a particular space that postcode will be hosted. So your domain name is like your postcode, and you need to have a land that postcode belongs to. Okay. So your website will need that space, and that's why your hosting is so essential part of your website. It has to do with how your website will behave in terms of speed, in terms of how many data would it be able to hold, and how many content would you be able to put on your website. And when people are browsing your website, how would the speed look like? all that is integrated or is part of your hosting plan. So I'll also explain this in more detail in my ebook as well. So what is the step number 4? Choose the number of pages that you want for your website. Here is the thing, honey. You don't need all the pages that your coach or mentor have on their website. You need pages that is unique to your business and that is unique to your goals. So I want you to stay on track on focusing on the first step, which was to identify your website objective and keep it simple. What is that goals you want to achieve? That affects the number of pages you will need on your website. So stay on track on your goals, stay on track on your missions, and grade the right number of pages that would suit your business needs, and also put the right functionality in place to help you not only to own a website, but to own a website that is attractive and convert those visitors into paying clients. So that takes us to the next step, step number 5, create a checklist for your website. We all know that our brain are limited in what it can keep on and what we have ability to remember. So without a checklist, you kind of fall off the track of what was that task again that is in my website? So but you have the right website checklist, it keeps you on track on the tasks as you focus on your goals. It helps you to complete the task as well in a way that is consistent in all pages of your website. Why? Because you want your ideal client that come to your website to have better experience when they visit your website. So give them that consistency by being consistent yourself. You can only give out what you already have. You should create a checklist that guide you through the process to help you to come up with a business website that turn visitors to clients. And that's the aim, okay? So now, how can I help you to achieve this? I've created a resources to help you. I have access to the ultimate wow website checklist, which I'm able to give it to you for free. So you need to sign up to get a link, and then you get a copy of my ultimate wow website checklist, which I made it just for you. To save you time of creating your own checklist, I've created one for you because I care. Okay. Now, when you want to take your step further, then you want to really go into the bits and details and every pieces of steps that you need to take for you to have a wow website that converts. I highly recommend you have access to my ebook, How to Create a Wow Website Plan That Converts. You can have it. I'm going to put the link in the comments in the description section below, which you can check it out and download your copy. If you are ready to take another further step by getting me with you to work together one-on-one, plan your website, implement it in the way that helps you to showcase what you do in a very authentic way and help you turn visitors to clients, that's my sweet spot. I'm going to put my link as well. Feel free to get in touch, and I'm more than happy to help you. I hope you find this video helpful, as giving you an idea on how you can start on that amazing journey of owning a business website that does what it's supposed to do. This video was meant for you to motivate you to take action, not just to think about your website, but to take a practical step to making that dream reality. If you like what you see in this video, please leave a comment below for me and let me know what next video you would like me to produce for you. This channel is for you. Subscribe, like, and share the video with those that you know will value the content. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.